How to set a time duration or when to auto-lock the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and tap on more security settings. Next, tap on secure folder. Then we go down and tap on auto lock secure folder. In here, you can choose when to auto lock the secure folder each time I leave an app, or you can choose when the screen turns off, or you can set a time duration after 5, 10, or 30 minutes, or when your phone restarts. So select one of the options, and so I'm going to go back and choose when the screen turns off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.